Here, so I'll show you how to easily import LUTs in Premiere Pro. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the LUTs in your computer file explorer, and then all you have to need, click on your computer search icon and type here Premiere Pro, and right click on Premiere Pro and click on open file location. And here again, right click on Adobe Premiere Pro and click on open file location, and you directly jump into your program files, Adobe folder and Adobe Premiere Pro folder. In this Adobe Premiere Pro folder, you have to search for this Lumetri folder. Just open the Lumetri folder, and here open this LUTs folder, and here you will find three different categories: creative, legacy and technical. I'm just opening creative folder and I want to upload my custom LUTs in this creative folder. So here I'm opening another window. So these are my downloaded LUTs. I'm just pressing Ctrl A to select all of them and pressing Ctrl X to cut. Then in this Adobe Premiere Pro Lumetri LUTs creative folder, I'm just pasting all of my copied LUTs. And here check this option and click on continue. And that's it. I have successfully added my custom LUTs in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now all you have to need, go to your Premiere Pro and just close your Premiere Pro and relaunch Premiere Pro. Now from Premiere Pro, select color. In here under Lumetri Color, just I'm clicking on creative because I uploaded my custom LUTs in creative folder. In here I'm just clicking on this look drop down, and here you'll find all of your uploaded or imported custom LUTs. Just find out the LUTs you want to apply, and that's it. That's how you can actually add or import LUTs in Premiere Pro.